Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to my channel Troy Eye. Today I'm gonna unwrap or unbox the Toshiba 1 TB hard disk of 7200 RPM ordered from Flipkart and received today. As you can see, there's a Flipkart mark here. So let's unwrap. This video is not going to be too long because this is just the unwrapping of the hard disk. There's nothing to show in here. This is internal hard disk of Toshiba. If this has been the external, there has been a review towards this. So let's unwrap this. So this is the packaging of Flipkart, and as everyone knows, internal hard disks are very fragile, so you have to pack these things very carefully so that they don't get destroyed or defective. And I must say, Flipkart has done a good job in packing. As you can see, when I take the internal hard disk out from the box, this is inside the air pocket plastic, and it has been packed quite nicely. This is inside a plastic case, and as you can see, this is Toshiba, made in China. So just give me a moment. I'll just break this plastic and I'll record the video again. Okay, the plastic box has been broken, and the hard disk was inside this. Again, this is a moisture barrier bag. I must say this is very good packing done by Toshiba or the manufacturer who has manufactured it. And this is the hard disk itself, the internal hard disk. And as you can see, this is the Toshiba capacity 1 TB made in China hard disk, and the ports which are here are the power port and SATA port, and that's it for the Toshiba unboxing video. See you all in the next video, and please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and please share as loud as possible. Thank you. God bless all. See you.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.